Jai Hind everyone. Today's my lecture topic is Indo-US relationship with respect to trade, oil diplomacy. So, as we know that the two of the world's major democracies are not only connected by the values but also by the trade and energy. As it is said in international politics that it is as you have the trade binds the two nations, whereas energy uh, acts as an engine that fuels its growth. If I talk about the trade relation between US and India, so in 2024 we traded the bilateral trade was 212 billion US dollars, of which the 87 billion US dollars was Indian exports. But there have been frictions in the relationship. USA has imposed the reciprocal tariff, which is a tax or duty which is imposed on the goods and services imported from other nations. For this, the USA cite two reasons. The first one being the high tariffs that are imposed by India, that is around 17% compared to US average of 4%. Second, our continuation of buying oil from Russia. So here we have to know, and because of this, the USA has imposed the tariffs. The secondly, if I talk about the oil diplomacy, so India procures around 35% of crude from Russia. However, in recent years, our imports from US has also increased from 4 to 7%, and also the contribution of LNG has been doubled. So this shows that though we are continuing buying oil from Russia, however, USA emerging as a great partner for the oil diplomacy, where it is playing major role through petroleum products and also the crude oil, LNG, and the nuclear cooperation. So, in order to have better relationship together, India and US should move from confrontation to cooperation. And in global affairs, it is also important that it is said that the strength is not only in what you buy, but what you sell, but also what you buy wisely. So India's stand is clear that we don't support alignments and we focus on the national interest and energy security. So India is working accordingly, and India is taking the right decision, as it is the democratic country and it has its own sovereignty. Thank you.